Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to answer you to the question how to show pressed keys in Blender. This method is really simple and may be really useful. So what we need to do now, first we need to go to the left upper corner and click on Edit. Here you will find a lot of really great settings, but we are interested in to go to Preferences. Of course you can use this one shortcut to open this option, and now we need to go to Get Extensions bookmark, and here we need to click Allow Online Access. It will let us to install and update online extensions, so I click on it, and now on Search Extensions I type Screencast, and here we have this special extension Screencast Keys. We need to click Install button, and after a moment this extension will be successfully installed. Okay, so now we can close this window, and now if you will drag this arrow to the left side, you will see here Screencast Keys. We need to click on it. Maybe I will drag it to the left side to show you how it looks, and then we need to select this one option, Screencast Keys. Of course you can edit here more settings if you want, but now for example if you will click mouse button or you will type something from your keyboard, you will see that it has been successfully displayed here. So it's everything in this video. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel because it really supports my work. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching.